Hey guys, this is Matt again. Another chili video for you. Uh, so we got some bird's eyes Thai chilies here, and they start out green and then they slowly go red. So it's not really two types. These are just two very ripe and one fresh one. I prefer them green. They get a little mushy when they start turning red. But yeah, so these are the bird's eye Thai chili pepper. The thing about these guys is they're packed full of seeds, and that middle fiber, which is where it actually contains most of the heat in the pepper. So as you can see, it's just nothing but seeds in there, and that's good heat. These are really good for cooking. Bought these on Amazon. And then to treat myself, one last green, fresh one. Look at that, even at the end, full of seeds. Don't want to leave any of that goodness behind. So I eat these things like carrots. I love them. Perfect heat. I use them as my base in my chili oil. So 2/3 of the chilies I use for the oil are bird's eyes. And then I fill it up with usually ghost pepper and some Carolina Reaper. And that makes best spicy chili oil. But that was the bird's eye. This is Matt. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.